I'm sorry. We're giving those to our nephew.
Oh. I pay better than he does.
Did you need help?
Alright, can I jack one of y'all's bigger boxes to put all my stuff in? We're talking physically or mentally?
The lot?
Yeah.
$5.
Oh, damn it, dude. Yes. I'm related to the wrong kind of people. I want on a stack of Hank Aaron stuff. Y'all are my people. That's it.
It works. I just wiped it last night.
Empty. I should have got a weed right here. What are you asking on a video game?
The Star Wars stuff and the whatever that is. I'd have no 25.
I'll do 20.
Done.
I'll get that out of the way real quick.
Thanks, sir.
You mind if I sit over there on the ground out of the way?
Yeah, yeah.
Then we can peek around.
I know it probably looks like junk, but all that stuff is from the 90s.
You're right.
Back when I was a youngin'. Even that stuff is from the 90s.
Yeah.
I was a huge Hank or Frank Thomas fan.
Well, let me ask you, you're a Braves fan, so this is going.
Of course.
What got you back into collecting?
So, my grandmother, whenever I was 16, I had my first vehicle. Okay. I wanted to buy a stereo system that went dum 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 like they did back in the 90s. So she gave me $300 for all my stuff.
Okay.
So when she passed away, she saved it for all those decades.
So you got it all
and
back.
And my uncle's like, here, this is all yours. And I opened it, and I started going through it, and the feel of the card in my hand just caught fire again. So I started collecting again. Well, see, all this right here is all duplicates. There's over 1 million cards in my man cave upstairs. Never in my life did I ever collect football cards.
Really?
Never.
Always baseball.
I don't know where they came from.
Yeah.
The only thing I can think of is my grandmother
had them mixed up or something.
She bought them over the years
and
just put them in the box. I mean, these are all single football cards that I'm like, where the hell did they come from?
You never did football.
There's basketball cards in here. I've never collected basketball cards in my life. I've never watched basketball.
This is what I used to have, and all the whack stuff, like, they just got so overproduced that, I mean, luckily, I'm not missing out on too much.
See, that's the complete set right there.
You know, not...
That's right. That's a mix between baseball cards and basketball.
Right.
See this right here. What is this? Yeah. Michael Jordan.
Yeah, see, this is all the stuff that...
Damn, that's a lot of Michael Jordan.
Well, let me, because this is why I didn't want to ask you, because you're a dang Braves fan. what do you want on the stack of Hank Aaron stuff?
You want all of them?
Well, if the price is right, I might.
Let's see. $5 a piece. 6 of them for $30.
Oh, man. What's the condition?
They are definitely not 9s, but they're not 1s either.
No, they're closer to 2s and 3s. It might be a... No, yeah, it's 2 or 3s on some of them. I had a name that I sent to PSA as rookie card.
Right.
And it came back a 4. And I mean, centering was a 9 on it. It was crazy. It was so painful.
I'm going to be honest with you. This is why I hate the grading companies.
Yeah.
If you're a big name card collector and you've sent a lot of stuff, they'll give you a higher rating.
Right.
But if I just sent one in and they had no idea who I was, oh, it's a 1 or a 0 or authentic, I'm like, I hate those companies. As people who collect cards, you can look at something like you just did and see what it is. You don't need somebody to tell you what it is.
Man. How about we do 20 bucks? I'm gonna owe you another 20 here. I'm gonna set out my stack over here.
I know the bag in the car, and he just sits in the bag while I walk around.
I see Janis Joplin already. Rod Stewart. Janis Joplin. Y'all can't see this. Oh. Stewart. Stewart. Oh. Stewart. David. Rod.
This is a horrible dateline episode.
$3 nut. Outlaw. Merry Christmas. Is this you?
Yeah.
I don't know. He's been so nice to me. I want it to be him.
I'm just as nice, I think.
All right. I'll tell you what I'll pay. It may be way off. That way it kind of cuts the chase. I was thinking $5. 3 for the model, 2 for the books.
Cool.
Okay.
See? I told you I'm
Dang,
easy,
man. I'm related to the wrong kind of people. Y'all are my people. That's it. Oh wait, I should have had it in there. Don't make it easy. Okay, now, whose records? Yours. Yours.
Now, if
Do you
happen-
have any other ones?
No, they
No?
were all my dad's old
They were,
records.
because I mean, they're
If you happen to find an autograph
tattered.
Yeah.
Grateful Dead in there, that's mine.
No, there's nothing in there. You have an autographed Grateful Dead somewhere?
But if I had one, it
Oh.
wouldn't go for sale.
No, sir. It's $5. What are you asking on a lot of records?
The lot?
Yeah.
$5.
Oh, damn it, dude.
Look at that.
Yes.
$5 more.
I know, man.
I mean, the records are in good condition.
Yeah, it's the sleeve, yeah. What are you asking on the Xbox?
$20. It works. I just wiped it last night.
I'll call you with my,
And we
with
plug
my
it in
number
to prove
again
it.
so you can
Yep.
give me a call.
If I buy the Xbox, will you throw the records in?
Sure.
Okay. Alright. Xbox. I don't know. Xbox One? There it is.
Go-karts for sale, too.
Yeah. I don't think I can afford that. I can afford a lot of stuff.
$1,200, man. It's yours. I got 3
No.
right now.
I can afford that, but no.
It's got turn signals, LED bar, light bar on it. It
Yeah.
goes up to about 20-25 miles an hour.
Y'all have the perfect place to do that. I got 1/3 of an acre, not even. I can't even drive that around in my backyard. All right, I owe you 20. We'll get that out of the way. You got change?
Make sure that's 50. Double check it.
20, 40, 50. I owe you 30.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Carter, look. Carter. Brody would want to come. Should we go wake Brody up and let him come? Joel, look, he would love this.
I had bought her that little
I'm gonna at least buy him one.
yard
Go pick out like a good one for Brody.
There, that's good.
It's a good cart, Joel.
It is.
I don't know any.
I mean, I'm not lying. Which one would Brody like?
I don't know
Our other
baseball
son's
cards.
dead asleep because he's on crutches right now. He got hurt in football.
And what does he like?
I said he will die if I come home with like one of these. Like,
We just don't know what's good and
we
what's
just
not.
don't know. Yeah.
Well, what about a complete set of 1987 baseball cards?
He would think that's cool.
Those are older than him.
They are older than him.
1988 too.
How much? Oh, because you're an Auburn fan. No, jeez. I almost didn't wear it.
No, I'll do this whole box for 20
Hey, but
bucks.
we are a Braves fan.
There you go, see?
I mean, look, he's got like Hank Aaron.
Here, you know what? Pick which ones you want, and then we'll put them on top of this, and I'll give you a fair price.
I don't know what he would want.
He would.
Does he like
Hank
baseball?
Aaron wants him. He likes sports.
He just likes.
He likes sports. He likes football. He likes.
Does he like Michael Jordan?
He does.
Jordan.
Still going through Michael Jordan.
Pick a cool looking Michael Jordan one for your brother.
Alright, can I jack one of y'all's bigger boxes to put all my stuff in? Did it with such confidence. Absolutely, get that shit out of here.
That's the idea.
I love it. It ups the chance of me hurting my back. That's great.
Did you need help?
We're talking physically or mentally?
Well, I can't help you. And he can help you.
There you go.
I'll make the room. Thank you very much.
No problem. Have a good one.
You as well. A little brighter outside now, at least. How much did you want on the vest thing?
75. I grew up with that shit in the Army, and now my kids are loving it.
I'm talking. Well, let me ask you. Before I mix these in with these, what would y'all do the whole box for?
Oh, ooh, that box wasn't supposed to come.
What box, babe?
Dinosaurs and cars. I'm sorry, we're giving those to our nephew.
Oh, I
Take
pay
that
better
box.
than he does. What about those?
$1.
Okay, that'll work. I'll do that. Even though you broke my heart.
I'm sorry.
No. One more.
Well, thank you.
Very well, sir. All right here. I don't want to put it in, but this will be the addition to it. Wait, hang on.
Okay, you want to do 5 for it all?
For those? Huh. I gave you 2 for the other stuff.
Right.
What were you thinking on these? 'Cause it is just that right there and this.
Okay, so you want to do 4?
I was thinking like $2 for the extra, like this right here.
$2 for it all?
Yeah, like right there. I'll just give you another $2.
That's fine.
Okay.
Yeah,
I don't know if that's what you meant for.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's what I meant, 4 total.
I gave you 2 for the other, didn't I? I didn't pay you. Oh, that's
no.
why. I thought
We had just talked about it.
No,
You're
I
good,
apologize.
it's
4 $4. Yeah.
Yep.
I'm sitting
Thank
here
you.
arguing, thinking I'd already paid you. I apologize.
Are you like toy shopping for like resale? Or?
Yeah, I do reselling.
I scored an old school Transformer, and if you're
Yeah, I'm sure.
like on eBay, it's probably about $300.
Let's
So
see. Yeah, we'll double check.
Well, it's 23 on
Amazon.
Yeah, on Amazon.
They got free shipping with Prime, so
Yeah.
that'll probably be. Yeah. Oh wow.
Oh wow.
Oh wow. Okay.
You got a question?
Let me get my phone real quick.
yeah, she's gonna go do like the eBay thing. I'm not gonna do like the whole I'm gonna charge you eBay price, but like if you do that for a business,
Yeah,
I make some money. You got some meat on the bone, that kind of thing.
that's what I do.
Yep.
Yeah.
So
I mean, it's crazy to hear it because I do eBay, but I also do. I have garage sales of my own.
Yeah.
I sell to other resellers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because sometimes it just comes down to, hey, I got this at a great deal. I want to do it for this.
That's what this is out here for.
Oh, really? Mm-hmm. Do you happen to know the name of this figure right here? Do you?
Oh, Ma, what did we say? Well, do you remember this guy? It was just like Transformer aircraft carrier.
Oh, do I remember? You know how long ago that was?
Yeah, right.
He's not super early, huh? Or is he? What were you thinking? I would be good at 45.
Deal.
Okay. No, I appreciate you working with me on it.
Yeah, homie. Like,
William Jonathan.
Don't do that.
Can you break 100?
He 45. He's gonna buy that for, and he's got 100. You can.
Okay, good. Because I didn't want to offer you 42 after saying 45. You just came right by, huh?
Mm-hmm. You owe 55.
I'm just making sure my math is right this morning. Wait.
Look at that. Big bills for big bills.
Thank you.
I'm not in any rush to sell it, but
Yep.
thank y'all very much.
Small,